everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some simple, easy and different crafts. So watch the video till the end and enjoy. First we are making a snowflake, you can call it, or a web. For that you have to take the orange paper like this and fold it. Now cut it by drawing the lines on it. Now cut it very carefully like this. After that open it and it's ready. You can decorate these on your tables and it will look very beautiful. Next, we will take a blue color paper like this and cut it from the between. Now after that, draw the lines on the sides and decorate it. Now take a paper and draw a witch on it like this and stick it and it's ready. Next, we will make a ghost stick. For that, you have to put the tissue around the cotton ball like this and fix it like this. Now fix a stick in the between. Now draw its eyes and it's ready. Next, we will make a Halloween themed pumpkin. For that, you have to draw it on the orange sheet like this, draw its face, cut it using the scissors. Now using a white stick, draw the lines on it and then put the straws on it like this. First stick the straws together using the sellotape like this and fix it and then fix it like this. And your toy is ready. Next, we will make a beautiful theme like this. For that, you need a pipe cleaner. Now fold it like this. Now stick its eyes and your toy is ready. Next, we will make a spider. For that, take a blue color paper like this and fold it from all the sides. Now press it little bit as shown in the video. Fix it by folding it like this. Now again, fix it from all the sides one by opening it like this. After you are done with it, we will press it again and follow the same step for the other sides as well. Tie it properly as shown in the video. Fix it very carefully. Now fold it from the sides and cut it using the scissors like this. Now again, press it and cut it from all the sides. Fix it like this. Now spread it on the top and it will be ready. Now let us know in the comment section whether you liked it or not. Next, we will make a pumpkin. For that, take a paper like this and then cut it out. Fold them and then stick all of them together like this. Put a green stick like this in the top and it's ready. Next, we will make a bat stick. For that, take a black color paper and fold it from the between. Now take another sheet of the paper and stick it like this on both the sides. Now take the round sheet of the paper, stick its eyes, nose and the ears like this. Now paste it on the black sheet as shown in the video and it's ready. Next, we will make a Halloween pumpkin. For that, take orange color paper like this and then fold it from all the sides one by one as shown in the video. Fold it properly as we are folding. Now fold it from the bottom and the sides as well. Fix it very carefully. Follow each step as shown in the video. Make its monster face and eyes. Make its hat and it's ready. Next, we will make a flying witch. For that, we will take an orange color sheet like this to make its hat or the hairs, you can see. Now fold it very carefully as we are folding. Keep folding it. After that, press it from the sides. Now turn it and then we will take a white color sheet to make its face. Fix it in the between like this. Draw its eyes, mouth and nose. Now take a black color paper like this and make its body part. Fix it over the stick as shown in the video. So not the stick. First, we will fix its broom. Now we will make its hat using the black paper like this, make its body, fix it on the top like this. Now we will stick it on the broom and it's ready. Next, we'll be making the finger covers or the nails like this. For that, take any color paper like this and fold it as shown in the video. Press it and then make the ring-like shape. Follow the same process for the rest of the papers. Fix all of them together on the fingers and it will be ready. Thanks for watching our video. I hope you liked it.